Hello my lovelies, welcome back to my channel. Today I have the review and swatches of the Holo Hookup box for the month of August. This month's theme is Great Outdoors and the guest maker this month is Noodles nail polish. The pre-order for this box starts July 21st and runs through July 28th. As always, all the links are in the description box below, so feel free to check it out. And now sit back, relax and enjoy the swatches. The first one I'm gonna swatch is by the guest maker Noodle nail polish, and this one is called Take a Hike. It's a dusty navy blue holocrylly with bronze microflakies, copper shimmer, gold copper caramel and aqua metallic glitters and hollow copper glitters. Here goes my first coat. All the polishes in this box gave me full coverage in 2 coats only. So going in with my second and final coat. And here is the final look after top coat and cleanup. I also did a little bit of nail art on this gorgeous polish. The next one I have is from Glisten and Glow. This one is called Glamping. It's a orchid linear hollow with purple green gold flakes and pink orange purple flakies. It's a very nice soft shade. Here goes my first coat. Looks a little bit sheer but gives full coverage in 2 coats only. And here is the final look after top coat and cleanup. And here is a little bit of nail art that I did over this gorgeous polish. This one is one of my favorites from this collection. Moving on to the next one. This one is by Different Dimension and it's called Chasing Waterfalls. It's a periwinkle blue cream based linear hollow polish with UCC flakies, unicorn flakies, orange pink gold color shifting iridescent flakes and iridescent color shifting glitters. So here goes my first coat. This one is my second favorite from this box. So here goes my second coat. And this is the final look after top coat and cleanup. It's a beautiful, beautiful color. I absolutely love it. And I did a little bit of cactus succulent nail art. Last but not the least, this one is called Force of Nature by Cupcake Polish. It's an emerald green linear hollow polish packed with a rainbow of multichrome metallic flakies. You can see it here how beautiful the flakies are. Here goes my first coat. I'm going in with my second and final coat. So this is the final look after top coat and cleanup. And here is a very minimalistic outdoor nail art look. So guys, this completes today's swatches. I hope you enjoyed it, and if you did, then don't forget to subscribe. Hit the red subscribe button, be a part of this lovely family, and while you are at it, don't forget to click the notification bell so that you won't miss my future upload. Feel free to check my other tutorials, and thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate all your love and support. I'll see you guys in my next video. Till then, take care. I love you all. Bye.